Hi friends, I have a super fun video for you today. I'm out here in my garden and I'm going to give you a little tour. Let's learn some new vocabulary, what I'm growing this year. Now, if you're new here, this is Conversa. I'm teacher Shelby, and this is your place to learn, practice, and actually speak English with confidence. Let's jump right into learning what I'm growing this year in my garden. These are strawberry plants. I'm growing strawberries. Check it out. They grow these big green leaves and little flowers that get pollinated by bees, and this turns into a strawberry. So we have a harvest in June, and then they take a little break, and we'll have another harvest soon in August. The next thing I'm growing is a lot of blackberries. They grow these really long vines, and they're called blackberries because when they are ripe, the berries turn completely black. So these are not quite ready yet. All right, fruit number 3 I'm growing in my garden is grapes. I have 4 different varieties, and they grow these really long vines with big leaves. And look, you can see some grapes growing right here. They'll be ready in a few months. Now, the 4th fruit I'm growing in my garden are raspberries, and they grow really tall and skinny, these plants. And look, here's some raspberries growing right here. I can pick this one and eat it right now. Okay, now the 5th fruit we're growing are called boysenberries, and a lot of these may look the same, but these plants have thorns, so you have to watch out. A boysenberry is actually a mix of a blackberry and a raspberry, and look, here's some that are ready to be picked. They are super dark, purple or almost black, and they are delicious. They taste like sweet, but also kind of like a sour candy. Now that's all for fruits, but every year I always grow a lot of tomatoes. So here are my tomato plants. They have little flowers, and we should have some tomatoes coming in soon. Now, something else I grow is some herbs, and these add seasoning or a lot of flavor to your food. I grow sage and I grow thyme, which taste amazing on different cuts of meat like pork or beef or chicken or turkey, all of them. What I grow here is oregano, and this tastes so good on Italian food like pizza or pasta. My final 2 herbs I grow are chives, and these are like onions. They give like an oniony flavor in a salad or in any meal. And I grow mint. I love mint, especially I can pick some fresh mint and make tea. Let me just show you a view of my whole garden all the way around. All these things you saw, the blackberries, raspberries, boysenberries, strawberries, tomatoes, and all the herbs. And here right in the middle, I grow a flower garden or a wildflower garden, which helps keep bees and pollinators coming in. So I have lots and lots of fruits every year. Okay, it's almost time for me to get to work. I need to pick some raspberries, but first, let me know in the comments which fruit is your favorite, or maybe there's a new one you want to try. Let me know. My favorite is 100% the raspberries. They're so sweet and a little tart. Oh, they're delicious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's learning English. Hope it was a fun garden tour for you today. And new videos every Friday. If you hadn't seen my video where I talk about what I eat in the summer, including a lot of berries from my garden, check it out here. See you next time. Bye.